Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best growing tents available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have AC Grow Tent. This indoor growing box allows you to cultivate year-round at creating optimal environments for your desired plant. It has a highly durable canvas and sturdy steel frame and encloses the grow space to facilitate ideal climate conditions for plant growth. And with a forward-thinking design that managing grow tent environments has never been easier. It featuring a quick view observation window, this grow tent uses a waterproof Oxford canvas with a 2000D thickness for higher durability and light proofing. It features durable frame with thicker steel poles that carry 2x more weight than standard grow tents. The higher density 2000D canvas prevents light leaks while diamond mylar amplifies light reflectivity. At number 6 we have VIVOSUN Grow Tent. The VIVOSUN Grow Tent blocks all light from escaping and is lined with 98% reflective mylar to boost the output efficiency of any grow tent setup. The top quality 600D canvas is tear-proof and double-stitched for perfect light blocking. The canvas is supported by strong metal poles that are specially finished for smooth installation. VIVOSUN's full-spectrum 300 watts LEDs deliver optimal light spectrum coverage, more power for bloom, maximum power output at various distances and super bright lights that your plants will love. The Floods 2'X2 targets an intense light for monstrous vegetative growth at height of 24 inches and 1.5'X1.5 targets for incredible blooms at height of 18 inches that penetrate through your top canopy. At number 5 we have iPower Grow Tent. It is constructed with high-quality Oxford canvas, tear-proof. This heavy-duty zippers and double-stitched block all light from escaping. It comes with tool bag and removable floor tray. It is designed for indoor growers to seek higher yields and top-shelf quality, high-efficient, better par values than traditional HID lamps and consuming only 105 watts. The quiet and powerful 4 inches inline fan and filter flex aluminum ducting combo gives strong airflow to keep proper air circulation and eliminates all unwanted odors. It is easy to install and use. At number 4 we have Yeti Home Grow Tent. Yeti Home Indoor Grow Tent has interior material made from highly reflective diamond mylar to keep 100% of light beams inside so your plants can absorb more light and grow better. It features several metal corner adapters, metal poles and mylar canvas. The 1680D canvas completely prevents light leakage and the double seam design offers reinforced stability. It is built using double layer cloth. The observation window is leak-proof and allows you to conveniently observe your plants without opening the tent. Yeti Home Grow Tent is connected by metal clasps. At number 3 we have Medium Grow Tent. The hydroponics grow tent blocks all light from escaping and is lined with a highly reflective mylar inside to effectively improve light efficiency. It is also equipped with SBS zippers for a light-proof seal. This indoor grow house planting tent is equipped with adjustable vent doors and an accessible observation window so you can peek inside and easily observe the plants without stepping into the tent. Serene Life gardening grow tents are reinforced by heavy-duty all-steel poles to ensure stability. And features tear-proof mylar 600D canvas with double stitching protection and a durable zipper to ensure long-lasting use. This indoor plant grower hydroponics tent has a mesh tool bag sewn to the tent for convenient tools and grow accessories storage, and it also comes with pole shelf and easy-to-clean water-resistant and removable pole tray. At number 2 we have VIVOSUN Grow Tent. The VIVOSUN hydroponic mylar grow tent blocks all light from escaping and is lined with 98% reflective mylar to boost the output efficiency of your setup. These VIVOSUN 1000 full-spectrum LEDs deliver optimal light spectrum coverage, more power for your blooms and maximum par output at various distances with super bright lights that your plants will love. This LED light increases yield while decreasing costs, especially if you compare it to HPS/CMH combos. VIVOSUN Indoor-Outdoor Thermometer provides accurate humidity and temperature readings for both inside and outside simultaneously. Number 1 we have VIPARSPECTRA Grow Tent. VIPARSPECTRA VS1000 LED Grow Light adopts the latest high-quality LEDs technology Samsung LM301B diodes, high energy efficiency and generates more usable lighting per watt and provides better light canopy penetration. It consists of 3000K warm white, 5000K white 660 nanometers deep red and 730 nanometers IR light, which providing your plants with excellent full-spectrum LED grow lights. The red and IR light are particularly useful during bloom, which can speed up bloom time and enhance high yields to obtain the ideal harvest. It has heavy-duty zippers and double-stitched fabric to protect and safeguard your growing space, multiple round vents for varied sizes of fan filter, and has ducting rectangle window with mesh to keep dust and insects out, better ventilation. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best growing tents for your need.